How to enable App Lock on Android using built-in settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can enable App Lock using built-in Android settings. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Now let's just jump right into it. So first step is open up your settings. Now the location for the setting varies depending on your model, so just check your manufacturer specific list. You can go online and check that out. I will tell you some of them right now. So generally it's under your security and privacy or under your apps. So for my device it's under apps. I'll just head over to apps. For you it might be under security and privacy, and inside that you will find an app lock option or app encryption or anything related to app lock. So if it's under apps, scroll down, you'll find the app locker option. Tap on it. Go through an authentication, enter out your PIN. After you've entered out your PIN, you can find the locked apps option. So all you have to do is select an app that you want to lock. So let's say that I want to lock my Spotify. So I'll just search for the Spotify option. Then I'll just check this box. Then now it's locked. Now if I head back, try to open my Spotify, it'll ask me for my verification. And I'll need to either go through the biometrics or just enter out my PIN. And it's that simple. And that's how you enable App Lock using built-in Android settings. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.